Every single morning I wake up and there's a moment of bliss. Then I remember I get up and I get on with what I just withhold. How I wish we could go back in time and find the part we lost. Go back to where we started off. Every single morning I wake up and I've been waiting right here for things to get better. And I've been patient, trying to figure this out. Everyone else is saying what don't kill you makes you stronger. So why do I feel so weak, so weak, so weak? I can feel you loving me like tiny little words when I breathe. And time is so uncanny. I am covering the skies that show me starting to heal, but I am not moving. It's like I'm stuck in fantasies, rerunning made up memories. I can feel you loving me, baby, and I've been waiting